Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to admin. Google. Com using an administrator account that has super admin privileges. Confirm your domain is verified in the Domains section before enabling any services. Add Google's 5MX records to your DNS with TTL 3600 so mail routes correctly. Ensure Google Workspace billing is active to avoid service interruptions. If you manage DNS at a registrar, allow up to 30 minutes for updates to start propagating. Keep a secondary admin account available in case of accidental sign-in issues. In the admin console, go to Apps, then Google Workspace, and select Gmail. Set the service status to on for everyone or choose specific organizational units. Configure additional settings like routing, attachment restrictions, and spam scanning while Gmail is enabled. If you changed MX records, recently expect DNS propagation and email delivery to stabilize in 24 to 72 hours. Test account delivery by sending and receiving messages between internal addresses. Monitor the admin console for alerts or errors during the initial rollout period. After Gmail activates, publish SPF, DKIM, and DMARC TXT records to protect your domain. Create a DKIM key in Gmail settings using a 1024-bit or 2048-bit selector and add the provided TXT record. Add an SPF record that includes V equals SPF1 include SPF. Google. Com_all to reduce forged mail. Use Google's data migration service to import mail from legacy systems into user accounts. Communicate new sign-in instructions and storage limits to users before migration begins. Set retention rules and enable mobile management for device security.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.